Hi there, this is Kaleb Donahue over here at Architectural Builder Supply, and I've got another video today on some tips and tricks that we've got on our site. So let's get started. This is an inquiry I had the other day where somebody was looking for some Pan-X push bars. My initial search, when I look it up on our site, as you can see, there are no search results. So what we're going to do here is plug in the @ symbol, which is the symbol above the 2 on your keyboard. And basically what this is going to do is show you all discontinued items that we had on our site previously that are now discontinued. So once you do the search with the @ symbol, you will see that you'll get some results for all these DCI push bars. So if you're ever on the site looking for something and you're having some trouble finding it, you're not sure if it's really still available or not, I would recommend doing this search, and then you'll see that we've got some stuff that used to be on here that is now discontinued. Thank you.
Thank you for watching, and if you've enjoyed this video, please click thumbs up, please subscribe, and maybe even send the video to someone that you know. Thank you.